Okay, we're back with Corpule 1 2023. We're on to question 3. What do we got? Blah, 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 blah. Here's a cubic. Something, 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 something. We've got roots alpha, beta, and gamma. The cubic equation, yada, 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 has roots, yada, yada, yada. Tell the value of A, B, and C. Oh, that's cool. Right. Okay, let's go. So what do we know? We know that 9 is 4 alpha minus 1 plus 4 beta minus 1 plus 4 gamma minus 1. We do know that by looking at this equation and by looking at the coefficient of w squared. We also know, looking at, we'll know something about B's from here as well. And we'll know something about A. So let's see what else we can do. But we get a lot of information from this equation. So let's start with that. Then minus 97 is the sum of my double product. So that's 4 alpha minus 1, 4 beta minus 1, plus 4 beta minus 1, 4 gamma minus 1, plus 4 alpha minus 1, 4 gamma minus 1. Is that correct? Minus, minus, plus, minus. Yeah, I think we're okay. Plus, minus, yeah. So here are two equations that we know that we're going to tidy up in a second anyway. And then we can do something with the alphas and betas. But I reckon this is going to give us an awful lot of stuff as it is. So number 1 is telling me that 9 is 4 times the sum of the roots minus 3. So that tells me that the sum of the roots, 9 goes to 12, is 3. In theory, the sum of the roots is 3. Now, number 2, not looking forward to this, but let's go. Minus 97 is, I don't know where there's a bracket there. Well, if we look at this, when I expand this out, what am I going to get? I'm going to get the 4 alpha times 4 beta. So I'm going to get a 16 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. I'll get a minus 4b. I'll get a minus 4b. So I think if you expand all of this out, I'll get a minus 8 alpha plus beta plus gamma. And then I'll get a plus 3. Yeah, because each bracket will give me a 4 alpha, a 4 beta, 4 beta, 4 gamma, 4 alpha, 4 gamma. So let's see what we get from this. This is 16 times alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma minus 24 plus 3. What's that? That's minus 21. Let's add a 21. Minus 76. Is that right? Take away 21 from that, yeah. And 76 divided by 16, does that do anything nice? 4.75? 19 over 4, yeah. I didn't think it did anything nice. Oh, yes, but, awesome. Okay, right. Okay, yeah, I see where we're going with this. All right, and then we can go back to the top equation up here. Now, we know from the top equation that B over A is minus the sum, is minus 3. And we know that minus 19 over A is equal to the sum of the double products, is minus 19 over 4. So that tells me that A is equal to 4, and it tells me that B is negative 12. Now, that's all well and good, but we also need C. And C is the double product, but let's just remind ourselves of this. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is 3. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is minus 19 over 4. And then if we have a look at this one, B over A, so we got A is 4, B is minus 12, and we also know that alpha beta gamma, by looking at the top one, is B over A, which is minus 3, which makes sense, if you look at that. Now, to find C, we need to find out what the product of 4 alpha minus 1, 4 beta minus 1, 4 gamma minus 1 is. So what do we get when we multiply that out? We get 64 alpha beta gamma by doing those. I will get minus 4 the double products, because that will be by having 2 of them and then just one sign here. No, it's 16 times the double products. Because 4 alpha, 4 beta, minus 1. And then only one of them, which will be plus 4 times the sum. Yes, we're getting there. And then minus 1. That should be everything we want. So that is 64 times minus 3, minus 16 times minus 19 over 4, plus 4 times 3 minus 1. What does that give me? That is minus 192. That is plus 4 times 19, which is 72. Then we get a plus 12, and we get a minus 1. Which is, that's minus 120, minus 108, minus 109. So I reckon that C is equal to minus the product. So I say C is 109. Come on, let's see. 105. Oh no. Oh no, where have I gone wrong? I've got C is 105. These are correct. Oh no. Oh, that's 8 times 19. No, that is. It's 4 times 19. 76 is 76 is 76 is 76. That is why. That is why. Oof. Thank God I can check the mark scheme. Awesome. No one saw that. Bosh. One more. Let's go.